Tesla, world's large electric car manufacturing company. There are many rumors from past some years on Tesla launching in India, but there are no official confirmation statements from either Tesla or Government of India. But now we can see some official statements from Tesla which indicates Tesla is going to set up a manufacturing plant in India. But how far is it real? When Tesla is going to launch in India? If launched, what will be the price? Let's discuss these things in this video. Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. First of all, let's know why Tesla is popular worldwide. The main reason Tesla became popular is because it makes electric cars. An individual don't need to put any fuel in it. We can run EVs at very low running cost along with saving the environment. The second thing is technology. Tesla implemented autopilot, OTA updates and other high-end tech features in it. Each and every techie will easily get attracted to it. The third thing is their customer satisfaction and reliability. And fourth thing is their charging station network. These all things made Tesla to become number one EV brand in the world. Tesla currently has its manufacturing plants in America, Mexico, China, Japan and in many other countries. So previously Tesla tried to enter into the Indian market. A group of Tesla team made a visit to India to research Indian market, road conditions and public opinions on Tesla cars. After that, Tesla decided to launch their electric cars in India. But as the import duty is very high in India, Tesla appealed the Indian government to decrease the import duty on their electric cars. But Indian government denied if Tesla plans to import electric cars which are made in China. Rather, Indian government offered Tesla to set up a fresh manufacturing plant in India so that Indians can get job opportunities and Tesla can be benefited with the state government's incentives. Tesla didn't show much interest to this offer, and recently when Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji visited United States, he met Tesla CEO Elon Musk. After their meeting, Tesla gave a green signal to set up manufacturing plant in India. According to recent reports, we can confirm that Tesla is going to set up a manufacturing plant in India. This upcoming Tesla's manufacturing plant will have an annual capacity of 5 lakh electric cars. Tesla not only sells Indian-made electric cars in India, but they have plans to export it to other Indo-Pacific countries. So Tesla is going to choose a state which has coastal borders, and most probably it may set up its manufacturing plant in Gujarat state. Everything looks fine till here, but will Indians accept Tesla cars? Can Tesla beat Tata in terms of sales? Definitely no. The reason is cost. The starting price of the Tesla electric car is close to 40 lakh rupees. Only a particular category of people shows interest in this price segment. So to capture mass market, Tesla has to plan and develop an electric car which comes around 20 lakh rupees. And as per some sources, Tesla is exactly planning this. Tesla will bring an electric car which costs between 20 to 25 lakhs, and I think autopilot won't be included in it. So finally, Tesla is coming to India. They are going to set up a manufacturing plant in India and they'll launch an electric car below 25 lakh rupees. So what's your opinion on this? Please let me know in the comment section. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.